Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add phone number field in contact form 7. So here you can see these are the current fields: name, email, subject, file upload and message. So now let's go back in contact form 7, and after that click here contact, then contact forms, scroll down and then again click here contact form, scroll down. So now I want to add here after email. Now first of all let me copy this label and add here phone. Then you can go here and click on tell, insert tag. So after that let's go back and click on save button. Now let's go back and reload the page. So here you can see phone number field is added.